Thank you. So I won. I got to my birthday. Okay. I don't see any cucumbers.
Yeah, these are the cucumber plants right here, look. So you got to plant these.
With
You
water?
take this one.
I can take another one.
All right, take that one.
Yeah.
And we come over here. And we're going to plant them right here. First, we're going to plant them here because cucumbers climb. So we're going to see where our Nana's made that trench. So what we do is Nana will pull them out. Okay, see this is 2 cucumbers. Okay, put one over there. Can you reach?
Me?
Put it over here. Max, you want to put one in?
No.
You don't? Okay, put it there. You can take big handfuls and put it in like that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, there you go, Max.
Are these
Can you
cucumbers?
spread the soil?
These cucumbers?
So we just gotta gently try and, okay, there's one. Float. There's one there, and then there's one there.
Oh, it's on the plant.
Come closer, how's that?
Yes.
Carrots.
For free, but
Okay, now you take it and you go like this so the seeds get buried, okay? You go across, not too hard, but you just want them under the soil a little bit, just like that, that's good. Here you go.
oh, they are so tiny.
Yeah, these ones we don't, you gotta spread them out pretty good.
Why?
Because the lettuces, they get big, like this big. So you gotta kind of spread them out here.
Can we do 2 or 1?
You can do 2. Nice. Let's see.
Yeah, this bubble. Yeah, oh. What?
Okay. Now get the ones on the other side.
I'm on this side. Hi.
We're looking so good in the freeze dryer. So we'll have to see how many survive and how many we have to plant. Hey!
Hey, look. Let's see.
Okay, let's go. Let's see what else we got to plant.
I think we should put it in this one. Ooh, that looks so good.
All right, they are gonna love this.
Here's the cat on the ground. Let's see at the roots. More. Enough.
Cool.
Two. Here's so many. Here's some babies. Here's another baby. Here's the giant ones.
Grass.
New chickies, and they're black, and they're very cute. They're cute, so cute. Let me hold her. Let me hold her. Oh, she is so cute. Let me hold her. You gotta put your hand on top of her, okay? Hand on top. They are so tiny. I'm gonna go get their cage, and I'm gonna come back.
So cute.
Yeah. Here's their box we're gonna zoom them in.
Just for today, we don't have a cage show.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it ready. Okay, watch this.
Yeah. We're gonna set them down carefully, okay? They're very tiny. Go to the cage. Go inside the cage. And
Gently, Max.
don't let them die. And go for it. She's staying on my hand.
Little box is too small, so we may end up putting them in a bigger one, but this is just for today because they were surprise chickies. And look, the other chickies can hear them. They're very curious.
They're very curious, but they are. No, me like that. At the 1 week, the whole day. So now they're very big, but these are so tiny. I think
They're just drinking their water.
I think they're old. I think they were just brand new. I think they were just brand new. I think they're 0 years old because they seem so tiny. I said they're so tiny. I love little babies. Very tiny, and this is very big. I need a bigger cage already.
All right, we decided to move them to a slightly bigger container so they can get away from the heat. So, Ariana's gonna move them over. Go ahead. First, move their food and their water. If you're getting new chickies, all you need is a box to put them in, some shavings to go in the bottom, a food and water bowl,
Nancy bought us this.
and a heat lamp to keep them warm. That's all you need.
2 of the chickies were on the food, so I needed to get them off. I was about to take them, but then didn't want to.
If it won't fit side by side, just put them on the other corner. Okay, now chickens poop a lot, so you have to be able to clean out their cage every 1 or 2 days.
And they're so little, they can poop very tiny, so you can't see it. And they're
At first, the baby chickies will start to go together so they can stay warm. 3, 1, 2, 3.
4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I said 1, 2, 4. And last 5, 6. Well, all are so little. Tiny. Now I have more. Don't scare them too much.
Is that all?
Yep. I'm gonna go.
Okay, now. All right. There you have it. We have our new nursery. And our other chickies will be nice and warm in this corner. And I look forward to seeing how these chickies grow to get bigger and bigger. They look so cute right now.
Yep. Very tiny and so cute. Kids can see across them because it's plastic, so they can see across. This away, this way, this bus.
Airplane.
Little star. Careful for them. This bike me?
No.
No. They're tiny. No. Want me to hold her? No. No. Don't drop her. No. They're very tiny. Whoa, this big? She's big. Let's put her back in. No, no.
How fluffy they are. Nice fluffy chickies.
Yep.
Little cute fluffy chickies.
Brand new.
And then every day they get more and more feathers.
Yep. Right now they're so little, and I saw one flappier wings. Very tiny wings. They're happy and they're
Okay. See you next time.
Bye. Have a great time watching our videos.
Do you know today is the first day of spring?
Next is spring. No! In the spring. Bye, kids. Subscribe for our video. Have a great day. Bye. They're so cute, and I really want to hold them all. I really want to put all of them on my legs and just let them keep on me.
That's weird.
Big button.
Push the button?
Subscribe for our video and have a great time watching our videos.